Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This song is called My Blue Heaven. It's a hit song from 1927. When whippoorwills call and evening is nigh, hurry to my blue heaven. Just turn to the right, a little white light will lead you to my blue heaven. You'll see a smiling face, a fireplace, a cozy room, a little nest that nestles where the roses bloom. Just Molly and me, a baby makes three. We're so happy in my blue heaven. You'll see a smiling face, a fireplace, a cozy room, a little nest that nestles where the roses bloom. Just Molly and me, and baby makes three. We're so happy in my blue heaven. We're so happy in my blue heaven. Well, as I said, My Blue Heaven, popular song written by Walter Donaldson with the lyrics by George A. Whiting. And it was used in the Ziegfeld Follies of 1927, which were spectacular revues known for displaying beautiful chorus girls, commonly known as the Ziegfeld Girls, who paraded up and down flights of stairs dressed as anything from birds to battleships. The music for My Blue Heaven was written in 1924. Donaldson said that he wrote it in one afternoon at the Friars Club in New York while waiting his turn at the billiard table, and it became a huge hit for the crooner Gene Austin. It charted for 26 weeks, stayed at number one for 13 weeks, and sold over 5 million copies worldwide. There are other songs with the same title, and there's also a movie, 1990, with the same name. Incidentally, whippoorwills, you're sure, are birds of the nightjar family, named after its call. It's in the key of C, so the first chord plays the C chord. When whippoorwills call. Now, I go here to a C diminished seventh chord, just to make it a bit more sort of fill in. But you don't have to do that. You could go whippoorwills fall, and the evening is nigh. But I like this. Whippoorwills call, and the evening is nigh. So that's the C, back to C again. And A7, then A7, in D7, G7. Next verse is just the same. Turn to the right. There's two ways you can play that C diminished seventh chord if you want to. I'm playing it with a bar, but you could play it with the fingers separately like that. In which case it's probably easier to start with the little finger. Oh. But as I say, you don't have to play it at all if you don't want to. Then C7, you'll see the F, smiling face, A7, fireplace, D minor, cozy room, G7, little nest that nestles where the another C diminished, another diminished seventh chord, this time C sharp diminished seventh, which is quite an easy chord, G7, I can now play it, just Molly and me, and baby makes three, we're so happy in my blue heaven. It's a sweet little song from 1927. I hope you enjoyed looking at that, and I hope you have a go at it. But whatever you do, I hope you do it, have fun.